guys, right now I'm ready to go to work. This is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing my red top and my skirt. See, that's what I'm wearing today. I'm just fixing up my hairline before I go. Brushing it in. That's the style today. See if we can put you guys down. Yeah, so my hair is finished and I'm ready to leave. So yeah, yes, right now, as you know, my farewells. So bye kid, I'm going to work right now. I'm not reach home till tomorrow. Come have a wicked shift. So bye-bye. See you again Christmas. I don't know when, but see you again soon. Bye bye. You don't tell them bye. Bye. So bye bye. I see ya.
Yeah, man. Reach over safe.
Yeah, I mean reach work safe now. Yeah. Bye bye. Yeah, bye. Bye Monday. Yeah. Yes, now it's time to go to the people that work. No, so. And you guys gonna follow me as I head to work. And Rain drizzling. Rain not wetting up any of my curls. Because I'm gonna be so pissed. So, yeah. Right now, I'm going to Juice Pass to buy something to eat. Then after I go to my taxi stand and wait on the taxi to load to go to work. So do you morning? Do you have meatloaf? You have kind of a patty, cheese patty. You have cheese patty? You have a cheese patty and you have cocoa bread? And a cocoa bread. That's it. How much? So I just got my food. Now I have to walk up the road now to get a taxi. Struggle is real. People just stare at me as you say, why am I talking to the camera? But they don't know I'm a vlogger. That's what I do. So yeah. When you find one taxi, but you have to stand for one corner because the taxi man hide from police. So we have to stand for one corner or wait to get enough people so we can move because I hide from police. Wow. And the sun is so hot though. I'm going to eat my food. Sure. straight from the point. You're all straight from the point. All this, you're going from the point. You keep on the debate for your $600.
And I really that
I fear when you up here, me not have, me could not carry my daughter somewhere and I have fear for pay for my opinion them. I know $600 fear.
No, when you go to the stand,
have no fear.
When you go to the stand, ask.
Me not ask nobody. You tell me enough.
If you feel say me
and first me a trouble, sir. And the first me a trouble. So you're making you to me thank for me know.
29 years me around watch it.
Stay up here and run it.
So I know you finished on that argument though, me I tell you. Now I'm about to go to a Chinese restaurant to buy lunch for work. So yeah, I'm so tired though, but so it goes. Guys, I'm just leaving work. I said today was an hectic day. That's why I couldn't really talk to them. But now me I leave, it's like after 12, most of 15 after 12. Me I leave work now, so me I go downstairs to try catch the people them bus. Or else I forgot wait till 1 o'clock. So I look stressed out though. So I go. Good morning, you guys. Oh, everybody doing today? I hope everybody's alright. Basically, I'm on here to end today's vlog because I noticed when I was leaving work, I didn't get to end the vlog because when I reached home, I was so tired. Oh boy, late night shift is not easy though. So anyways, I basically come on this to end today's vlog. Don't watch my hair. Here's all it's crazy. So fix it up. And before I end today's vlog, I have also given my post notification shout out to Gio and Shia. Yeah, big up yourself. Thanks for watching. If you would like a post notification shout out, if you would like a post notification shout out, you would have to subscribe to my channel, like my videos and comment, and I'll be picking a random person for the post notification shout out. Also, if you haven't added me on Snap, add me. If you haven't added me on Twitter, add me on Instagram, add me. Also, I also have a Facebook fan page. You guys, the link is in the bio. You guys can go on the page and like it. You can see all my updates as well as all my other social media platforms. You will see my update. What is it? Yeah. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Cause as you know, it's Vlogmas, so videos every day. So yeah, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's upload. Bye, you guys. Bye. See you guys in my next upload. Bye bye.